Yeah. Luganda XLz week 39. Tao G on the beat.
Port Bell Drive.
Listen, no I can't. Tichisoboka busobozi. All you want is for us, I know, yeah, it's so you see. You was the one that always tried to know better. Kati egwomu yenyini alekana ne bweboogera. We both know he will eventually know. Nze chikoma wano oba chikwese bibyo. Just look at all the money he's investing. If I was in his shoes, killing you would be my next scene. My bad, laba gaya ategekana mikolo. Ateta sage nakuze nakutegana malobo. Siri mwetegefu kusibwa na migua na kukubwa. His bodyguards would dump me in the sewer. It seems to me like you all know a heart of a man. We could use a little fun, but nah, this wasn't part of our plan. Damn, bino sina bya sente. I could see through his eyes, this is something that he can't take. Though in the meantime, this could be our lullaby. Screw back the split, byonna bibenga bye tutalaba. We can flee, hit the tree, fly away to overseas. Nange sikuleka, tikisoboka busobozi. Yeah.